Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by importing your RAW or highest quality JPEG into Gemini so edits retain detail. Once the file loads, enable auto backup and versioning to avoid accidental loss. This lets you compare before and after. Choose your target strategy now: exposure first for tonal fixes or color first for creative direction, because it determines tool order. Make your first correction using Gemini's automated exposure suggestion, then manually nudge sliders to keep highlight and shadow detail visible. Next, refine the image with layers and targeted tools. Start with global adjustments, white balance, curves, and HSL to set the base look, then add adjustment layers for non-destructive edits. Use local masks for eyes, skin, or sky, feathering edges about 15 to 30 pixels so transitions remain natural. Gemini's AI will offer suggested mask shapes and intensity. Accept a suggestion as a baseline, then lower or raise strength with manual sliders to maintain texture and prevent oversmoothing. To finish, set sharpening based on output size and choose the correct color profile, sRGB for web, pro photo, or CMYK conversion for print, so colors stay accurate. Export with metadata and versions so you can revert. If you see banding and gradients, add subtle noise of about 0.5 to 1.5%, then re-export. This restores smoothness without visible grain. Finally, double-check skin tones and highlights on multiple displays to confirm consistency before delivering the final file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.